Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to this hit and run strategy on 50%. It's similar to the hit and run strategy falling knife. If you have not seen that video, I suggest to go back. It will break down all my indicators that I'm using for this move. It's the same thing, nothing changes. The only thing that changes is the way the stock decides to open up in the morning. The other one, it kind of falls and you catch it down here. This one does something a little bit different. So what I always like to do is make sure that on my 30-minute chart, it breaks the 30-minute fractal, which it did right here in the pre-market. And it went from 80 cents all the way up to $1 before the market even opened. But once it broke that, it kind of made me look into it, see what's going on. And then when you start looking at it, there's no volume. There's nothing in there. There's all these little dashes, but the market's doing its thing. And then once it hits the dollar high, it starts to work its way down. Now, what interests me is what it will do right after it opens up, because it likes to fool people. As soon as the bell rings, it will take off and catches people buying, thinking that they have a runner. And then the market turns around on them and steals their money. But you already know what's happening, because if you look at the indicators, you have the 9 by the candles, the vwap, and the 50 above it. And when the vwap is between the 9 and the 50, you know that it wants to go back to that 50. You already know that. So if it went up to $1 and it came all the way down here to about 79, 80 cents, the halfway mark, that's why I call this the 50% run, the halfway mark would be 90 cents to put you about 91.79. So you already know you're going to get a 10-cent run out of this as soon as you wait for the whole moving averages to turn green to let you know it's done falling. Once you ride it, you get in about halfway. Don't even wait for the signals to turn red. Just once you're halfway there, you're out. 10-cent run, you made your money. Volume is in there. You already know you got the volume. It's healthy, because you never want to get into these stocks when there's no volumes, because then you can get out of them quick enough. So you got everything in this showing you that the volume is there, the momentum is there, the 9 VWAP 50 are there. This is an easy hit and run strategy. You're in and you're out within 1, 2, 3 minutes, and you made your money. Alright guys, so hopefully this will help you guys out with your hit and run strategy. I'll see you guys in the trading room.